سوشل میڈیا پر متنازع تصویر پر شدید رد عمل کے بعد صدر ٹرمپ کا اپنی وضاحت میں کہنا ہے کہ آرٹیفیشل انٹیلیجنس کے ذریعے بنائی گئی تصویر کا مقصد خود کو ایک ڈاکٹر کے طور پر ظاہر کرنا تھا۔ انہوں نے پوپ لیو پر تنقید کرتے ہوئے کہا کہ وہ قانون اور نظم و ضبط کے معاملے پر غلط ہیں۔
President, did you post that picture of yourself depicted as Jesus Christ?
Well, it wasn't depicted. It was me. I did post it, and I thought it was me as a doctor, and had to do with Red Cross as a Red Cross worker there, which we support. And only the fake news could come up with that one. So I just heard about it, and I said, how did they come up with that? It's supposed to be me as a doctor making people better, and I do make people better. I make people a lot better. Pope Leo said things that are wrong. He was very much against what I'm doing with regard to Iran, and you cannot have a nuclear Iran. Pope Leo would not be happy with the end result. You have hundreds of millions of people dead, and it's not going to happen. So I can't. I think he's very weak on crime and other things. So I'm not. I mean, he went public. I'm just responding to Pope Leo.